So it's time to round up everything, and I'm going to the what's it called, the trading of currency pairs in terms of whether we want to trade in the buy market or in the sell market. The golden rule is don't trade against the trend. Don't trade against the trend. So we have uptrend, we have downtrend. They follow those trend. The trend is your friend. That's what they say in forex. So that trend is what I'm going to show you here. So if the trend is going bullish, and you know bullish by now, that means it's going up, price is going up. You should just go to the buy market. The trend is going bearish, which is coming down, and you go to the sell market. It's as simple as that. But don't trade in the ranging market. The ranging market is an indecisive market. You don't know the direction exactly where it's going. If you caught up in the ranging market, by the time price decides to go opposite to where you exactly thought the price was going, you'll be in big loss. So always make sure that you're very sure of the trend, whether it's following the uptrend or in downtrend, then you enter and follow the trend. Because the trend is large financial institutions trading, and you need to follow them because you need the ripples and the tides and the waves of water they carry along to help move you along. Well, imagine a big ship which is coming opposite to you. What do you think will happen? It's going to kill you, it's going to wipe you out. That's why we say the trend is your friend. So let's go to chart quickly. You know the chart button with the candlestick sign over down there. So the candlestick sign is where we go to. So I click on it. This is known as the United States dollar versus the South African rands. United States dollars versus South African rands, and we are in a monthly chart there. So you could see it there on the top in the corner there. So that's just it. So for us to trade, you see it's not moving. Nothing is moving because of a simple reason. The reason is not more than the fact that the market has not opened. The market will only open tomorrow, and there maybe tomorrow I'll be able to show you the highs, the lows. You study the 5-minute charts, you know the highs, the lows of a candlestick, which is the last thing to show you. But let's quickly go to what exactly this trending or no trending is. I'll quickly show you from here some of the basic things that has to do with a ranging market and the rest. From here, I'll show you a ranging market. From this date to this date, everything that happened here was that the market did not have any direction. From this date to this date, it was not exactly going up. The candlesticks were bouncing up and down, were not going up, was not going down. The next thing we see is that now the market after that now begins first of all to point in an up direction. That's known as an uptrend. Then after that we could see also that the candlestick begins to point in the down direction. This is known as a downtrend. But if you want to look at the overall trend, because you don't chase every wave of profits or trend, is that you can see that from here to here, if I entered in this position, the market had continued to go up in an uptrend. So when you could establish that there's an uptrend, you enter it and you hold your position for as long as you want to hold the position. Much that I will tell you in the advanced classes how to read take profit and how to set stop loss. This is how to make money in forex. That's it. When do we buy or when do we sell currency? Just like you've seen. What I want you to see, just for example, something like this is known as an uptrend. Stay written there. It's an uptrend going up. You would buy when you notice a trend is going up. And something is going up, there are two things happening. The first currency, which is the base currency, is the currency you're buying, and you're selling the code currency. Because what it means is that the base currency is appreciating against the code currency. And the code currency is depreciating against the base currency. The first currency is the base currency, and the second currency is the code currency. When this happens, the price of 1 unit of the base currency will be more expensive. So it means, for example, in Nigerian Naira continues to fall. It means that the second currency continues to fall against dollar. In this case, it is known as the South African rands. The reason why it went up is because the South African rand was falling against the dollar, so it became more expensive to buy $1 using South African rands. Do you get? So what happened there is that you bought the USD and you sold off more of the South African rand. That's how you make money in that picture. If you were actually buying more of the South African rand, that means that you are basically selling. If you're buying more of the South African rand, you're basically selling, which is the opposite of what we did. You're selling South African rands and you are buying the USD. If you are selling the South African rands to buy the United States dollar, it's going to be expensive. You're going against the trend, and that way you're not going to make money if you did it in normal foreign exchange. Do you see? You'll be losing money in terms of value. But since Forex, what we do is CFDs, we do not actually buy or sell currency in actual fact. So what we'll say in this picture is that we are buying the currency pair. When it is going up, you buy the pair. That will be in CFD. When it is coming down, you sell the pair. Going up is bullish, while coming down is bearish. As simple as that. You've been shown the video or the pictures. Go to your GoForex app. You see the bulls, how they work, which is to move price up, and the bears, how they work, which is to pull things down. So that's exactly what it is for the currency pairs, for the trends, and then what a ranging market looks like. I've showed you, and these exactly are the things that you need to know. Those things I've just mentioned now are exactly the things you know. Here you can see a very big uptrend here, a very big uptrend, all going bullish. In this place, white candlesticks are bullish while the black candlesticks are bearish. So in this place, you can clearly see a big uptrend going all the way up there. That's an uptrend. The price moved. Looking at the cursor, the price moved. So the price moved from where to where? The price moved from this price here and it moved to this price here. Do you see? That's a very bullish market. Price to buy $1 became really expensive. So that's exactly what it is like. Hopefully you get it, and then prepare for a test. Just let me know you're done with the videos and prepare for a test. That's a summary of everything. Wish you luck as you continue to develop yourself.